Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Wilson they send message to Obaseki supporters and Edo youth where they kill each other. Enjoy the video.
This government has not been any good government, but it has been a bad government to Edo people. Because this government that is on ground right now, we need to straighten some things that is going on. This Togba governor, now who they talk Obaseki. Now your matter. Now me, I just see this morning, I say, I want to talk your matter today. Today will be Sunday. Make I take a rest, make I talk your matter. Because ever since we see things where they happen, when we come out for campaign, we campaign for Pastor Sage Zeyamu. You understand? We know, say, after the court, ever since, I never will come out online, I never talk anything concerning your issues. You understand? Because we watch, okay, right now, ever since, but I don't observe, say, so many Edo people, so many leaders, they vex for this government where they so. Now be the problem we get the people when don't forget small, we're ready to do for youth now. Because of this government where they so, none of them they do for youth again. And they tell you the real leaders will get money for the states. You understand? So because of certain international matters where they happen for the states, they know they want make you common man or know what they happen. You understand? So that is why we as a many people, we don't travel, we don't see what they have for the state. We need to come out to enlighten our youth. Our youth every day they die and they see news. If I open my Facebook, I go the one that say why I will come from Benin? Why be saying so Benin news? Now be this one. Why be saying so killings? Now they happen for Benin videos where I always watch for Facebook. This thing is it's somehow, man, so annoying, my brother. I don't wonder whether only in those states now in Nigeria where we say now then you go see say full and you go just slice person neck. Now then you go see say court boys they tire for road for police station for where they want to put tire for everybody. You go see another one again. Police don't handle around. They got different killings. The other day, I said, one of our boys, I said, soldier shoot down for Saple Road for bypass. This kind of news, the others one. Every day, you must just say kill is happen for those states. What did they happen? What did they happen? What is going on in the state? What is talk about government doing in the state security? What is it doing? What is it doing about the security in the state? These are the things we are supposed to be talking about every time and every day. You understand? Is the state government, are they doing the necessary things that they're supposed to do in the state? Because this talk about government, where all of them are there, those states, one would put and so. My brother, I'm not going to see they do check and balance out because we would not wise for that in those states before. Oshomole open our eyes. The truth must be told. Oshomole open everybody. If everybody come and see they're blind again, they come blind 2 times. So all of you must be a blinders. You understand? Because I don't know why this say, man, you don't really see the light. They come and say never take out. Then the light will not be bigger come again. For waiting now. This is not good. You understand? The state government, the way they are handling things in the state is not fair. It's not good. My brother, the other day I watched a video when somebody was talking about this waste management board who went to New Benin Market and offload what's it called? The garbage or the rubbish they have there, the dirty they have around New Benin Market. The guy was on live video, and the driver who drove the motor told the interviewer that Obaseki supposed to give them truck. If you see the truck they went to, they used to carry that dirty, you yourself will sorry for that truck. You go wonder, which kind of truck be this one? Because when I say government, I don't understand what they do for the states. Okay, waste management board now will be saying, okay, right now they're in charge of dirty. Or anything will concern the environment. What make environment go day okay. Now they're in charge. Then they collect money, they collect revenue, they collect things for government house. You understand? You go see dirty go load for one market like this. For those states. Nobody will come evacuate that dirty. For good 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, dirty go just day for one place. This particular things are the things where we say we'll come out, we'll come talk today because all those things not good, my brother. You understand? Even they find it difficult. They find now difficult to see say they will get truck. And the guy when they interviewed the driver went as far as talk, he say, as trying to defend the state government, say, not be Obaseki, and they say they get people where they in charge of that board, where they under that board, which is over 300 people. Those people are supposed to be arrested. The state government, the state police, the commissioner of police, I don't see what you are doing also, because you people focus on this low class citizens. You people focus on those people that the people that don't have anything, whereas you people are supposed to focus. The state government, the police, they are supposed to focus on this government. These people that so-called themselves government, that they are collecting money, they are not working. You understand? If somebody is in charge of the waste management in the board there, in government house, they are collecting money and they are not doing anything. You are driving with your police loss van and you saw a huge amount of debt in a particular spot in the state or in the area there, and you could not ask who is in charge or who is supposed to make this thing, who are in charge to make this thing okay, because there are persons who are in charge. So these are the things, my brother, that the police has a big fault they are doing in the state. The police is in every state. Police has power to arrest anybody. Anybody, be you a government, be you anybody, police is the first person that can go to them. All those policemen, they don't focus on Yahoo boys, focus on your young boys where they try to come up. What about all those government people when we say they give position, when government give position when they do their duty? What did the state the commissioner of police, they talk about them, or the IG? What are they talking about? And we have AIG in the state. You understand? These are the things we are talking about. These people, if you know they are not doing a just work, they should bring them to book. Because Edo State is not the way it is before. Edo State, boys are crying, people are crying every day and night. Even we that is in Europe, we can hear their cry. So sometimes it pains me a lot to just keep quiet when things are going bad. You understand? These are the reasons why we wanted the government that can change the state and to bring the state to a better level. You understand? People have been doing series of videos and to see how we can make Edo State become a better place, but there's no way to find the truth. So my brothers and sisters, they should call on Obaseki and ask Obaseki, what does he have for the youth? What does he have for the youth? Because the way I can see it, he has nothing to offer for this youth at the time. He has nothing to offer. First of all, the environment. Imagine that video I watched. When dirty, first of all, dirty, they carry disease. Just dirty. Imagine say we were there here. I don't wonder why it be like that. My brother, you were there in Europe. You don't see how many truck where they carry dirty. You know this small vehicle where they both do where they carry dirty. Then they see some kind of truck, big one, small one, everyone is there everywhere. What happened to Edo State? What happened to Edo State? We say we don't get those kind of facilities upon the allocation where the federal government they give them every month up, nothing to show for the state. We cannot be sitting down and be looking. Somebody just come in the name of government and be looting Edo State money, and we are keeping quiet. When it comes to our time, we don't know what to do. We'll be only dead and we cannot even travel to our state because of all those kind of things. And there's a thing sometimes, my brothers, we need to really think about, because we are just walking like a sheep without a shepherd. You understand? In the States. My brother, that is why today I just come by and let Edo State government, this Togba government, that they are not doing anything in the States. The state is not in a good condition. The state, the way people are complaining and the way we are watching, the videos we are watching here is not encouraging. You understand? I used to know Edo State as a state that developed good people, who develop good artists, who develop good things. I always imagine that state to be a state that people used to come and visit there. You understand? Edo State was the first tourist center in Nigeria. You understand? Where people come and take pictures and feel lively. But I don't know what happened today, that we just forget our history and we are going down and down and down, and nobody's doing anything about it. My brother, it is our time we start talking, because we have social media now. This social media is a very powerful instrument to destroy any gadget. You see, that is why you see the government in our state, in our country, they don't want us to have free access to this internet, because internet is the new global technology that is transforming lives. It is what we all need in this life. That is why you see in Africa we have no light. You see, in Africa we have no light because the government does not want your internet to be stable. They don't want your internet. You know, when they mean internet, they mean your inner brain. They don't want it to be stable. They share. They always want you to remain in a dormouse. They don't want good thing for the youth. You understand? First of all, if you being a good government, as you were saying in your second term campaign, you said you want to encourage, you want to bring light. You were talking about one light issue, one light. What is going on ever since about the light? We have not seen any good news coming out from them. Edo State government, we are telling you that this government is fraudulent. We are saying it. It is obvious that this government is fraudulent. They are the judges who are in charge of this case, and wherever they are, I am begging that they should look into this Edo State government position in the state. The majority of the leaders who wants to help the Edo youth are not with this government. You see, you understand what I mean? The majority of the leaders who has the finance to sponsor and to help Edo youth are not with this government. They are angry. They are angry. It's like the game was just like, I don't know how to, it was like a match that they never expected they would lose. That's how it happens. Okay, ever since you people came as a governor, Togba family, what have you done for the state? What has what's it called, Abat? How has he encouraged you to Kabaka no good, Kabaka no good. Kabaka get boys where they sponsor. You get boys where they pay every month. They pay them. No more less, no good, no more less, no good. No more less get papa, mama. It will be say they feed. You understand? These are people I know, people I have seen that they have carried a lot of people along during their own position, because the kind of position what's it called, Abat now is handling. It's like you bring some political leader down. You understand? Help you say maybe you go take their position, take help people, but ever since you not use your own position to do anything. People will use their own help person. You bring them down. Why? When everybody was together, everybody are together before. No matter anything, my brother, you don't use person to shine like that, and you don't get anything good to offer for the state. We know at the state be before, my brother. I see your video, series of videos where you do. Now so alcohol, now you drink. You understand? Now so bad you go. Now so money you spray. You don't get one good thing we don't do for boys for that state. My brother, one of you the close eye they look you about. You understand? Do you know they talk to your governor again? If you don't let talk to your governor, you know if you advise Sam that say boys not get work, boys they kill themselves because they don't get what they do. All those news, all those atrocities where they happen on Facebook, you think say maybe they just carry the comma, they just as in the thing that they carry they happen. Now only those states, now the states. Now only those states we get for Nigeria. Yeah? When we say that so only those states will they hear those kind of news. Because there is no job. The boys are lacking the job opportunity. They say the idle mind is the devil's workshop. When somebody don't get what they do, my brother, they go think. You're going to think different things. You understand? So these are the reasons why we say, man, you need to make these people, what's it called, occupied. Put make them useful to the state. They are all Edos. Make them useful. Do something that can make Edo people benefit. You promise Gele. We have that one. Are just another story. More, not just go that side again. You understand? So what is going on in the state, my state government? My brother, if you get anything, I better share this video. I want you to share this video because now I want to advise our youth, our new generation youth that is coming. I want to advise them because you see, the government has nothing to offer. That is why we are here today to tell you the suffer we have suffered for so many years without the support of government. It was because of the support of government. That is why we suffered. We did not receive any support from the government. Rather, the government was suffocating us, giving us problem one here and there, instead of leaving us to live our free lives and make us be a normal human being in the earth. You understand? They have been using us. They have been even taking from us. We don't care. Okay, right now, give us good life. You cannot give us good life. You cannot give us security. What is all this? Huh? My brother, if you are happy, me, I'm not happy. I cannot be happy because I am okay when other people are crying, people close to me. I hear somebody die, like that boy they shot in the bypass, Jeremy. It was my little boy, Agbonwale was just a little boy that he was so close to me. He was my friend. As in, a little young guy was coming up there, yeah, he was seeing me, I like him, he was very hanja. I was surprised that the boy, they shot him. Just because of what? If he has something doing, will he be doing, he will not be walking out like in the street like that. If he has something good doing, the state government has placed things in order, these people will not be putting their hand in rubbish. Ever since, tell me my brother, ever since now, this second tenure, Obaseki emerged now, this governor, what good have we seen? Or what is the development of it? Please, if you are with Obaseki, I want you to drop your comments. If you are watching this video, please, I want you to share to 5 groups. Please, if you are watching these videos, I want you to share to 5 groups because today I am going to enlighten all our youth to focus, to know what they are supposed to do. At the right time, because it is time for we to discover, to recover all our losses. You understand? So that is why I am telling you today, please, if you are watching this video, it is don't look at this video, don't commonize this video. Please, I want you to share this video to like 10 groups. I am going to tell many of our youths the power of internet. While internet is blooming out the whole city, the whole country, people are making money, people are flexing, people are enjoying in the internet. You understand? Free what's it called? Free bonus is in the internet. If you are close, if you are open-eyed, if you know what you're doing, you can be connecting in a different angles. You can connect through internet. Stop wasting your data for no just cause, my brother. Because even me, since I started collecting money from internet, I know, yes, internet is good. You understand? So, my brother, so don't look at it like that. I want to tell you today the power of internet. All our Edo youths, they should emerge or they should engage themselves with internet. Our Edo youths, all of Funamokuna, they hear me. All of Funamokuna, they hear me. I want you all to engage yourself in internet. I watched some guys of Benin. One of my guys, he called me. He said, he called me normal call. He said, I call him back. I said, guy, I don't feel call you back, but you there online. He said, no, they use big phone. I said, try me get big phone because that one we they use for abroad. Everybody live there abroad. You know, if you call normal call like that. You understand? So once you just subscribe 1,000, me and you fit talk, if you will see me and you will talk live, you know. Try me to use big phone. You understand? This guy say, man, you know, if you use big phone, or so what I do. So what I mean, one day police trace them. I say, police, what you the arm robber? I mean, what you do with police? I say, the country not good, you know. I say, no. These are where the government have, as in, because there is no law in the country, the government have put fear for many of us bodies. So many of us, not be everybody where they use laptop, not be Yahoo. Not be everybody where they use laptop, not be Yahoo. Because you see, some people fear not that they will buy laptop, and they don't know the power of laptop because they feel say maybe who they use laptop for Nigeria, na a Yahoo boy. No, you must not be a Yahoo boy before you use the laptop. You can use laptop based on the talent within you. You can use laptop to do a legit trade, better trade. Trade where we say, man, you go there legit. You dey buy the sell. You understand? You dey buy the sell. If you see free something online, you can collect. Because many free things they do online depend on where you for the buy and what you know reach online. You understand? So this online now they help many people nowadays. This internet they help many people nowadays. Oyibo no dey carry, Oyibo no dey go work, make they carry load for head. Oyibo all their things wey they do now online. Now all their buying, all their business, what they do now online, they do most of all of them. You understand? So if you don't say you want to chop well for those states, you want to chop for Nigeria well, make sure say you dey connected. You understand? Make sure say you get connect. Make sure say you don't let the day online. Make sure say you don't let the know what they happen online. And what they happen online, they participate online too, so that everything go online. If everything don't go online, you go collect your own SMS now. You go get them now. Why you don't get your message? It must come. And no people make una wise. What is it called? The state government, they don't get anything to offer for una. They don't get anything to offer for una. Make una engage una self online. So that make una dey hear the Google things when they happen around, because only Edo State there, everything they happen for Edo State there na bad news. So if you don't go online to the hear wetin dey happen for other states, to know how you take move, to know how you take do, my brother, you are nothing. Try to let the day online. You can be doing comedy. There's somebody who called me on interview and I told them that yes, Edo people they need to do something. They need to focus on something. If you do comedy, you collect money to see them for Edo State now. The best voice you can imagine. That people who are the only people who are making it now are comedians. It is only comedians that is building a good house now in Edo State. Because why? They make themselves online. You understand? They focus and they never give up. And today they are making it. You understand? Edo people, my brothers, leave killing yourself. Just try your attitude self now. People now money for where people do. Only your character when you get self when you exhibit for street so. If you do the video now, person there with the editor for you, the director for you. Now money, people want to watch your character. You know they see the videos where people tell they make money now. Why it be say our Edo people go they focus on to kill themselves, to fight themselves because they say they not get what they do. My brother, focus yourself on social media. If you don't say you not get what you do. Social media just with your Facebook as I do so. With your Facebook, with your phone, you can become somebody in life. Just with your phone book and with your phone and wait till you get upstairs, you can become somebody in your life. That is why we are telling you, my brother, today, the power of social media. Now they make, you see, Nigeria today, Nigeria, even though Mazin now the Kalu, they fight that fight again. Nigeria, no, they don't fit kill them the way they take kill them before. Because social media don't do it now. Nobody go, see, the world don't agree because the world is going to see our life. You know, be like, say, those days where 1960 something will not get to the. See, social media don't take over the world. Let me tell you the power of social media. Let me tell you the power of internet. Internet is a device that I don't know. It is Oyibo scientists who discovered it, and it is Oyibo who made it become powerful. But I think it is God who brought that internet for us, because it's like people don't know the power of internet. You understand? Internet is the present what's it called? God on earth. You understand? If you put it like that, I may put it like that because you see, with Google, you see, do you know what Google? Google is general. Google is in charge of all internet. You understand? Maybe you don't know. And Google is from UK. You understand? So when Google is in charge of all internet, then YouTube came out from Google. You understand? YouTube came out from Google. Google and YouTube, they are working hands to hands. You understand? Then Facebook is an application, is an app that somebody created, just like WhatsApp, just like any other app you see created. You understand? So when Google started, Google did not just start by creating only YouTube. YouTube is what is helping people now. People are making money through YouTube. All the celebrities, all the musicians, YouTube are helping them. You understand? Then Facebook is sending your message faster to people because people don't go to YouTube easily, or YouTube don't share video locally. YouTube want to gain something because they have something to offer to the person who is doing that video. So Facebook can just share your video easily without no money to people to recognize you and to go and watch you in your YouTube channel. You understand? So these things are helping. All of them, they are useful. You understand? First of all, in every country, if you want a country to become a better place, there must be a light. If there is no light, internet cannot work properly. Internet cannot work properly. Imagine you have internet, you don't have phone to charge, you don't have lights to charge your phone. How can you use your internet? You understand? How can you use your internet? These are the things you see. The government they are using us. They don't want us to have these constant inspirations. They don't want us to be informed quickly. They don't want us to know what is going on. There was a video, the video that happened in Lekki. They were surprised that how did it get so far? You understand? So that was why you see they were trying to rubbish that video. They were trying to block that video, but at the end of the day, the video still stand because why? It was live, and the map of the map observed that this video was made. It was made at Lekki. You understand? So in this new era that we are, my brothers and sisters, you have to know about internet. Our Edo people, our Edo youth, wherever you are, try buy big, not a big phone, the one where they use internet. Make sure they get updates through Facebook, through WhatsApp, through what's it called, YouTube. You understand? You will see people when they bring their own ideas, until they try to bring your own ideas, because I tell you, my brother, your character. Now money for your people, they just your character. Now money, your character is your worth. If you don't say you sabi do big, you don't say art film. I know they say if they do big, people just feel like people just feel like you. Oh, this guy sabi art, sabi do big. You know, take out act something, take out do something with just 3 minutes, 5 minutes video. You don't become somebody. If you don't they focus, they do and somebody one video. See, I wonder how this boy, what they call Sabalo. You see, if you see Sabalo today or Brother Shaggy, you see when they take comments. Brother Shaggy, they say they do like this. They form saying, I don't know. Before you know that, Brother Shaggy, they enter private jets. You know they come up. You understand? Everything don't turn up for her. You understand? So my brother, so you see Manuela don't buy house for mama. Small Manuela. So what do you come there house if you say you don't go fit do? All of una afford una house there, una dey kill una self. It's not good by killing yourself in Edo State. Because I will not blame you. I will not blame you because the government is not doing anything for the state. That is why you see you people are focusing, harming yourself when people are busy trying to take your land, people are busy trying to take your money. They will cause commotion for you people, you the youth. They'll be fighting in the name of one color or another. My brother, this time don't pass where we're supposed to talk about colors for that state. My guy. Not be I tell you for this life when I did so. In all this time when we say you be blue and black, you be black, you be red, you be yellow, you be green, anywhere you be, we're supposed to join hands together and know what we need for our state. You understand? We're supposed to join hands together. We're not supposed to give ourselves to wrong orientation. You understand? You're not supposed to give the younger ones wrong orientation because say you're hungry. Because say you want chop money, you give your younger ones wrong orientation so they say you go do and kill her. No! You are not fighting the right fight. My brother, for you to do all those, my brother, engage yourself on internet. Internet, smart way you go do like this. Money don't throw it twice. Open this my talk where you talk now money for internet, and I tell you. When I received my first small thing for internet, I say yes, internet. Now they really help many people. Especially when you get something where you do every time. You get one of my videos when I do that, we just go viral. So I really get a lot of profit and calls and all that. You know. So my brother, that is why we are come out today to tell my Edo people, make all of you now, make una engage with yourself on something. Make una dey do something. When I mean say make una dey useful. Make una engage with yourself on something. If una look upon this state government, they're not going to do anything for you because I have not seen anything that this Obaseki has done since he entered this position. Since 2016, now I say come up for house. As Obaseki they enter position, and I talk about my live video, and I talk and say that because of Obaseki and this man so where we say consider change. Now make me come up for house because Obaseki has no good thing to offer to the Edo people. That is why and I deem it fit. Today I am benefiting while my people that are left home there, they are crying. Many youth are crying, many people are crying. They don't know where to go, what is going on in the state? They talk about what's it called, the Boston and the rest. What are they advising the government? How are they advising the state governor? Or what are they doing for the street boys that does not go to school? Those boys that are killing themselves now, what are they doing? What are their plans for them? What are their plans for them? Agriculture, no. Environment, no. What is going on? What is going on? Electricity, no. Hunger is everywhere. Water, I don't think they have water there. My brother, this is very, very bad of our state. We all should come out, especially we that is in the diaspora. We should come out and know that what is good and what is bad. We should know by now. We see how Oyibo take care of each of every one of us here. And apart from us, their own citizens also. We are almost similar to be the same. Because why? We follow the rules and regulations. You understand? So, when they give us, Nigeria has no rules, no regulation, no mindset build. There's no way Nigeria now, there's no way we say they take build our mind now for the state, or we they say that's how you are supposed to be living. You understand? There is no body that build us. It is only everybody are built up by their families. You understand? People get family character. I, Papa and Mama tell the BA for house. Now that character now you follow and grow. You know? Now you follow and grow. Another character you just see they use to follow in children. Children to come. That's how they just live. Government not give us a direct attitude. Say, we are supposed to know. Direct attitude in the sense that maybe let the law be punctual. Let the law be working. Let the law be working. These are the things we are not supposed to do. The law is against this, the law is against this. And these are the things that the law is providing for you. If you go against it, you will not receive it. You will not receive this. You understand? These are the things. You cannot catch monkey without using a banana or using something like so much. You understand? Nigeria, they know the problem of Nigeria, but they know they talk good aside. Today, if I do my live video, if I tell you say today what will be you this week, if I talk about this my live video, say, well, I'll keep it for another day topic. You understand? So, all my adult people, I want you to engage yourself on internet. my Edo youth, more than engage yourself for internet. Now the place now where people they collect money, the very place where people they tell they see their brighter future now internet. Try to do something. If na music they sing. If na comedy you want to do, they do. If na drama you want to add, they act. If na dance you want to dance, they dance. Anything you know say you want to do, they show us for live video. You want to see them, more they promote you. We want to share them for this my channel. Any young stars now, we want to share with them video. Anybody, any young celebrity when they come on, we want to share with them video. More than climb to that place we want to desire. You understand? Because if enough is enough for this our state government. Remember that we need to help ourselves. You see Lagos State today now. Why Lagos State today? You see the boom today because why? That place, now place of they like anything entertainment, internet stuff. Now then, you understand? If you go YouTube now, you will see them. Lagos boys, they upload 24 hours. They enter online 24 hours. And you see them, any video where we say just come for them, you see and they don't share them within themselves, they get love for themselves. Benin people, make they share our video, make they share Benin video. If you see say this person at Benin talk about you come from Benin, share them. You want to tell me that say we don't reach 100,000 for Benin? But share them. We will share at least make we share our videos, more to the support, more to encourage our brothers, more to encourage our sisters, more to make sure say that they get what they find. My brother, I not come out to just come talk, but I just want to let my Edo people know say the state government where we put for that position, the talk back governor Obaseki is not doing anything, and the boys they are killing themselves, and I want them to engage on internet. Many of them, they are killing themselves because they are not informed. They are not informed that it is true, it is really, really true that with internet, you can get what you want. People are playing games. People are spending times on rubbish. You are spending your time on rubbish when you are supposed to use your time well. Your time is in your hands. You are supposed to use it well. The time we were in Nigeria, we don't say the experience when I get now. I don't get that before. If I get that before, maybe the time when I dey shop money, as I dey go, I for just use that to shoot one of the. You know they shoot my video. The time when I dey do bumper to bumper, where I go dey drive, cars go dey follow me every day by day. Yeah, you understand? So all my guys are still dey groove every day by day, bumper to bumper. I for carry one cameraman wait for you to video that for me. They keep my record so that the night they show people my life where I don't experience pass. I will tell the groove, I will tell the daily, the chopper. But I never know saying, man, this social media thing is very, very important. If not, I'm going to keep my record. Imagine a Nigerian citizen does not have any record. A Nigerian citizen, he does not have any good record. My brother, if you are in Nigeria, I don't know how to put it. Some people, their birth certificate is written on a piece of note. Birth certificate in Nigeria, it is written on a piece of note, and the piece of note, it is not registered in Nigeria as in Nigeria. You understand? You are not registered in the net. In any Nigeria code net. You understand? There's no registration. So imagine such person now, or to come out now to say that paper now. Imagine that such person now, that paper miss. How will he defend himself to be in Nigeria again? How? That paper catch fire, or maybe water soak or win this charge. These are the things where we talk about, my brothers. No Nigerian get database. No Nigerian man say in the border for Nigeria now, say he gets data, say the government recognize him as a Nigerian. He not dey. Because all Nigerian certificates, all Nigerian birth certificates is written on a paper sheet, on a piece of paper. You understand? And which is not supposed to be. You understand? You are supposed to have a citizen card as you have been born in that state. They are supposed to document you in the country code. In the country code, what's it called? The country code. You must have the country code that you were born so day, and this is your numbers, this is your code, so that in time to come they may look for you, they might use it to look for you, and it must be installed in the internet. It must be installed because presidents, where they in charge of you now, where they say they're in charge of you now, in order to put in charge of himself, finish. I want to observe you. Security man, now when you put for your house or guard. Security man, when you put for your house, maybe they guide you or guard. Look at where security man for night, they sleep. Even on a police, a soldier, they sleep. But when there is light, you have camera. You have camera in your house, and you have constant light in the country. You have camera in your house, you around you there. Anything that happens to you, camera will see it and they will bring it live. You understand? And camera cannot just sleep every day. If camera wants to sleep, maybe in 5 years, it might sleep one day, maybe after it had a fault or maybe 1 or 2 things. You understand? There are cameras in this country that is programmed for 10 years. They off. 10 years. Maybe like all those street light camera where they see for abroad. They don't put that for them, bam. And they don't put that for them, so you go don't put that for them. 10 years. You go to record any 2 years past them. For 10 years, they off. As far as say NEPA, don't take light for that place. So these are the things when we talk about this technology. The internet is really helping most of these countries. Internet in the sense that everybody must be registered and everybody must be documented in the country base. Everybody must be known. All people must be known. Why the government they are running from this? They don't want to do this. They don't want to make this come to this because they are running for their responsibilities. They are running for their responsibilities. Every child, every woman, every pregnant woman, first of all, supposed to be government supposed to take care of any pregnant woman till the day of delivery. You understand? Till the day of delivery, because after delivery, after they documented that child to make sure okay, they can help the woman or the child for like 3 months, and before they will allow the mother to start taking care of the child on her own. But the government they don't want to think about those things at all. They want you to be doing everything your own, and they are not doing anything for the state. All they are doing, they are looting the one God has given to us. You understand? The biggest problem we have in our country, many people don't know the biggest problem we have in Nigeria as a whole. Nigeria as a whole, the problem nobody talk about the problem. We don't use the problem, they sing, they rap. You understand? Our Nigeria problem, we don't be proud. You understand? Nigeria problem, the person that we have, the person that is causing problem in Nigeria is Aliko Dangote. Aliko Dangote is the biggest problem we have in Nigeria, my brothers and sisters. If I may tell you today, you may know. Maybe if you don't know, you will know. I will make you know today. Aliko Dangote was the first person who was bringing Fulani S-men as a beggar. They were coming, these Fulani people, if you can remember, he brought them to all states as a beggar to collect money in our hands. And today, the Fulani, they are now grown wings to be dragging our lands. My brother, if you may know, I tell you, most of these Fulani you are seeing in different forests today, they were brought there with Aliko Dangote's truck. My brother, go and check. There were so many trucks that was arrested. that was written Aliko Dangote's name on it. Aliko Dangote is a different person. Let us not go there. He's the one who is supporting Obaseki, and they are Obaseki, they are all there stealing money because all they know is stealing. They are taking Edo State money to a different level. Look at the money that Obaseki borrowed of Vincent. What has he done with it? How can you borrow such amount and there is nothing good to show? You went to go and show us a water railway, I think what is it called? My brother, see, we are not Mugu. We are not Mugu. Despite maybe Edo youth now, they are in a, I will not say they are in a confusion. They are in a confusing position. You understand? So that is why you see you have those chances of taking whatever you are taking from the state. But I tell you today, my brother, majority of the leaders who wants to help youth are not with Obaseki. Go and check it in the state. The state is not happy. The ancestors of the land is not happy with this present government. This government, we are not happy with it. I have people who are working with you, although maybe they might be benefiting small, but it is not as if they are working with the governor. It's like they are just working with one community chairman or one park chairman. Do you know what we as in that government house, we know what is going on there. We know what is going on there. We know how the money, we know. We know how much that is coming. We know how you are embezzling. We know how you are busy duping, embezzling all the money that is coming to the state. My brother, we are not happy with the situation at those states, with the situation with Edo State right now. We are not happy. The way I'm seeing things happening in that state, I am not happy. The videos that I'm seeing, how courts are killing, how Fulani are killing, how police are killing, how the so-called vigilante people are also killing. Everybody are just killing. What is going on? Edo State, is it a land of ritual? Are people selling pass there? Are people selling human pass? What is going on in Edo State? Why is Edo State different? Why is it different from the rest states? Why? We should change. We should change our mindset. We should tell the government what they want. We should tell the government what we want. We should tell the government. We should tell the government what we want. Edo people, if you know you cannot do this, please engage yourself on something doing. If you know you cannot fight for the government, fight for yourself. Help yourself. Stop killing one another. Help yourself. Edo State is like a risk. It's like somebody who is living in Libya trying to cross. There's no difference between you that is living in Edo State and somebody that is in Libya trying to make a greener pasture. Because living in Edo State is like, it's a risk. I will tell you the truth, because you can just receive any strange bullet from anywhere. Anybody can just come and just take you like that, and there's nothing will be done about it. The government will not even know what happened there. They will not even care. They will not even show any concern. My brother, please, if you are just coming and you are just joining us on this live video, you are welcome, and I want you to share this video, and I want you to follow us on our link in case, because we will be coming out here live and direct to be talking on so many things in our country, and we want to make sure we bring our people to the limelight and to make them understand the present situation, the status of everywhere, so that they will know what to do in this present time. You understand? Thank you all, my brothers. Please share this video. As you are watching me now, share this video, because we get a lot of things to talk about today. We have a lot of things to talk about today. Thank you all. Thank you. Share this video. I'm going to play the music there. Man, play me one music there. Go to the follow. Yeah, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. Osayede, God bless you. Osayede, God bless you. Dennis Obi, God bless you. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. Please, I want you to share this video. It is, I see, we are educated right now. As in, there's a traveling is a part of education. We have traveled, my brother. Most of us have traveled, and we have seen things that the way things are is different from where we are coming from. So, my brother, those differences is what we are talking about right now. Those differences is what we want to make our Edo people know. That the government, they are cheating us. The government are cheating from, they are taking from them. The government does not want anything good for the Edo people. And Nigeria say, oh, the government, the people have to know that everybody have rights in the country. Everybody have rights in the state. Everybody have a partake in the state resources. Whatever is coming out from the state, everybody's supposed to have a share from it, whether by hook or by crook. So these are the reasons why we are coming out here today to tell our Edo people that they should hijack. They should stop fighting themselves. That fighting themselves on the name of courtesan is what is blocking their eyes not to see the reality. It is what is blocking their eyes not to see that the government have been taking from them a lot of money, using their name to borrow money, and they are not doing anything about it. Obaseki is not doing anything about the state. Obaseki is just looting money from the state treasury, borrowing money from different countries, all in the name of he wants to develop a state, and there's nothing good that is coming out from it. I beg, please share this video. If you are just joining me now, please, I want you to share this video. I want you to share this video. Share this video to 10 groups. Send it to your friends. I want you to share this video, please. Wherever you are, share this video. Share this video now. As you share, may God bless you, because we are about to turn people's hearts. We are about to turn people's mind. Yes. Share this video. Share this video. No, no, Alpha. What's wrong? Alpha. What are you playing? So, thank you. Please share this video. Yeah. Share this video. I want you to share this video. Please share this video to 10 groups. Yeah, Obaseki is a 419, a big 419. When he was coming, I deemed it fit and I seen it that Obaseki is a criminal. Obaseki, I saw that Obaseki is a big criminal. You understand? That is why I never voted for him for the first time, and for the second time I never voted for him. He might be the governor today of the state, but I tell you today, many people, many leaders in that state are not happy with the state government. And the government are not doing anything about it to bring peace into the state. The government are not doing anything to bring a development into the state. The Togba family, the Togba government, the Togba governor, the Togba people that voted the governor, none of them have come out and challenged the governor and asked him, well, this is not what you promised us. The light he was using to campaign, where is the light today? Somebody was doing a video concerning the refuge they saw in New Benin, and there has no truck. They have no refuse motor that can carry dirty to borrow pit. My brothers, it is a shameful thing for the state government of Edo State. It is a very big shame to talk about family. All of you PDP, wherever you are, you people have condemned the name of that party finally in that state. Imagine this is how you people will end up doing nothing for the state after you know what people have passed through in the past governments, in the hands of the past government. Now you had opportunity to do it again. The so-called what's it called, Danobi. What kind of man are you? What a man who cannot stand for truth? Danobi, you think you? Danobi, see, let me tell you people, all of you are criminal. All of you are criminals in that state. And I pray by the grace of God, justice will still catch up with you people. Justice will catch up with you people very soon, because we have been lying low to see maybe there will be a changes, maybe there will be a changes, but up to date there is nothing good to talk about. My brother, I cannot be sleeping and be rejoicing when my people in the state are crying. There is no job, there is no food, there is killings, and they are planning to run from the state as if somebody is haunting them. How can you be in a state that you cannot have the peace of mind? How can you be in a state as a young boy? As a young boy, you cannot open a shop on your own. You'll be thinking of opposite side. Say, these people will come and take me here. You know, this is very, very bad. There's no security. If I may open my video and show you the way they were slicing some peoples in Edo State. The way that you, my brother, you were so shocked. So maybe Facebook will not allow me to show it. So we are not happy the way things are in the States. That is why I just came out here to tell you people, please, Edo people, don't depend on talk back governor. Talk back governor will not do anything good for you till you will see it. 2023 will soon come now. We are in 2021. Sure? Before you know it now, 2023 will come. So, before you know it, 2024 will come. So, very, very soon, you will see that the tenor will just come and go without nothing show for it. Why I'm saying all these things is because what Oshiomhole did for the past 8 years before Obaseki emerged this power. Everybody saw the work of Oshiomhole, and it was bright in the eyes of everybody's eyes. Everybody happy. Everybody was happy. Oshiomhole, Oshobaba, everybody was hailing him. You know, how many people have you seen hailing Obaseki like this? Obaseki Baba, like hailing him for his good work. You know, that is to show you that are we going back or we are going front? The legacy Oshiomhole left for this man did not continue with it. So my brothers and sisters, I am telling you today, this government is very fraudulent. It's 419 government. That the appeal court who will judge the case, they should look into this case very well, because we majority people of the Edo State are not happy with this present government. Especially, I'm not happy. Many people in the aspirate are not happy. Ever since they came into this power in the name of I don't know how they manipulate the election. They won the election in second term. So I am telling you, my brothers, today, yeah, Alpha, yeah, I greet you now. Alpha,
What is
I greet you now. See man. Okay, Alpha.
Yo, cry.
Well, sit down. You don't tell
Hey, Anokia.
Sister, you
Sick man. What Anokia? Hey, give me the job.
What's it, sir?
See my guys there.
Your boy, yeah.
See there.
We salute. Don't be lie.
So I greet the asshole.
Be the asshole.
I
know we are good, boss.
Edo man, all of us are from Edo. So I do to now. I will come back again. Please, I get visitors. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for staying tuned. Please share the video. May God bless you all. I remain blessed in Jesus' name.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think. For comment section, you hear everything when you don't talk for this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.